What's happening, YouTube? Hey, y'all been asking for it over and over. I got you, bro. I kept telling you I was gonna bring it. I was gonna do what I'm doing. But yeah, let's get it, man. I ain't gonna hold you. We're gonna go right into it, to the details, the features, all that, man. Much love. I appreciate y'all. Stay tuned. Let's get into the video, the tattoo tutorial, man. Let's go, bro. I got the boy Resbrick right here. Resbrick about to get some tattoos. I don't know, but let's get it though. You know what I'm saying? All right, so this shop right here. You see this shop right here? This, it says the tattoo envy or whatever. That's for sleeves though. If you want the sleeves, that's the tattoo shop. It's convenient because it's close to your my court or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So everybody who wants tattoos always go to the tattoo envy, but that's just sleeves though. That tattoo shop is cool. But the one you want to go to for tattoos, my opinion, is right here. This tattoo shop right here, paint tattoo. Right here, man, you can fast forward, you know, I'm gonna be running for a mile, you know what I'm saying? I don't got no car, you know, so it's gonna take a minute. Okay. Over here, any minute here. Oh, we here. Paint tattoo shop right here. Right here. It's over here by Puma. It's over here on the strip, right here by Puma, across the street by the Triple Threat Park. It's across the street to that joint right here. The paint tattoo shop. This the mug we looking at right here. Paint tattoo. Like tattoos envies for the sleeves. You can get sleeves and separate tattoos for the old school players like Allen Iverson, T-Mac. These are like the old school players. The new ones is the sleeves, but you can have sleeves over here too though. But that's just sleeves. This right here, this tattoo shop right here, paint tattoos, focus on all tattoos, sleeves, separate tattoos. This is the shop you want to go to get a tattoo. All right, let's get into it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go here. All right, so you got the sleeves right here. See, I'm right here. I'm on the sleeves right now. I'm on the sleeves right now. But this is separate tattoos, whatever you want. Blah blah blah. Let's say if I want a sleeve, I want to tie them all the way up. You know what I'm saying? This is what y'all be wondering where I get my tattoos from. Bow. You got this right here with the designs. You see the stars, words, all into one. It's beautiful. It's a nice tattoo. It ain't too dark, but this one right here, I use this one because it's really dark. Like the paint on it is real dark, so you can see it even more. Like right here, change the color. So we go press A right there. You got the colors that you can have right here. It's the colors. You got the green, blue, black. So it's black. I usually use black. Press Y, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to click on it. I'm just going to click on it. Press Y. Bam. You have it. So you got to place the tattoo. You're going to push it on the right side of the arm. It's the left arm right here. The left arm right here. You got the left arm right here. You got the right arm. So I'm telling you how you do the sleeves. How I do the sleeves. Let's go to the left arm. All right. So it's on it, right? You see the tattoos on this arm, on this left arm. Oh, that's cool and everything like that. But we want more. You want to cover up the hands, all that. So what we're going to do is we're going to rotate the player so you can see the tattoo even more. We're going to push the L1 trigger right here, the L1 trigger right here, the L1 to rotate them. So it says how they rotate your player. That's the LB or RB, whatever. That's how you rotate so you can see the arm even more. Bam, bam. The RBs, LB, RBs. How you do it so you can see the arm. So you see that's the sleeve itself. But we want more of it, right? So if we push our right here, the bottom right, you know what I'm saying, analog stick right here, the bottom right analog stick, push that mug down or push it up. You see, it fills the arm up. That's what I'll be using. So I don't gotta make a lot of tattoos like this. But this is only one tattoo. It's the sleeves. So now I got the hand covered. All my shoulder is covered. You know what I'm saying? All my upper shoulder, everything's covered. So you see it. Go back to the LB. You know what I'm saying? Rotate them. You can see it. It's covered all the way up. See, my arms and my hands are covered up now because that's for players got their hands tatted up. So let's say right there, bam, easy. That's what I normally do for the tattoos, like bow down, give it a sleeve, and his hand is covered up. So bam, there you have it. That's just pushing the R trigger, you know what I'm saying, make it more. So when you press it up, you know what I'm saying, it gets more of it. So you press it down, the R trigger down, it's a little bit more. And you can rotate the tattoos with the L trigger, the L analog stick right here. That's how you rotate it. What side you want. Let's say let's want it like that. I don't want the hand covered, but I want it like that, right there up the shoulder, and a little bit right there. You can rotate it from the right here. That's the L. That's the L. The left analog stick right here. The left analog stick right here. So you got the right analog stick, and the left analog stick right there. Bam. So I can rotate it right there on the shoulder. Bow down. Rotate it, see how it looks. Okay, it's cool. You know what I'm saying? It's cool. Remember, if I want more, go to the right analog stick right here, press up, press it up right there, bow out. You can cover everything. So you want to cover, rotate it any way you want to. You know what I'm saying? Rotate. If you go right and left, that's rotating it. So what side that you want the tattoo on, to show the more of the art, whatever you like right there. Then I'm going to press up, cover everything. You know what I'm saying? Just rotate it to where you want it, to what design you want to show it from. There you have it. And that's like the tattoos. Like, that's how I do my tattoos right there. So I rotate it to where I want it. Bow out. Good. So now you look at it, look at the player, and I'm saying, okay, he's tatted up, he look good. Bow out. That's just the sleeve. That was just how I do for the sleeves right there. I said, I don't want to buy it. I ain't trying to buy no tattoo right now. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so you got the separate tattoos. Let's say, you know what I'm saying, you want the words. You know what I'm saying? You want the words, because most people want the words, alright? So we'll go right here. Go down, down. You got the beast. You can either put that right there. Or you got blessed. Right here, believe. I got some words, you know what I'm saying? Chosen. You can put chosen on LeBron's back, you know what I'm saying? When you make LeBron or whatever. I like legend, because it's cursive and it look nice. You put that right there, make the color black. You know what I'm saying? Press Y, you know what I'm saying? If you want to place a tattoo, this is where I will place the tattoo. Usually when I'm making this legend tattoo, like after right here, rotate them. See, I'm using the L and the RB to rotate the player. You know what I'm saying? I'm rotate the tattoo. So I'm gonna press the right analog stick. I'm gonna rotate it. So I'm gonna rotate it right there, bow out. So I rotate it, so I can't see it. So I'm pushing the left one right there, bam. The left, the LB. I'm gonna rotate it because I feel like once, I'm gonna make it bigger. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna push my the right analog stick up, press it up, and rotate the player even more because I want the tattoo to cover up the back right there. Because most people want the words right here, bow out, so they can have it like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, right there. That's where we're going for. You know what I'm saying? So we get the words right there, bow out. You know what I'm saying? There you go. I rotate it. You know what I'm saying? Right there. Or you can, you know what I'm saying, put it higher up right there. You can put it right there, bow out. You know what I'm saying? Little something, rotate, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this little something, nothing major, you know what I'm saying? Rotate it wherever you want it, whatever you want it. Right here, we're gonna form, you know what I'm saying? You can rotate it, legend, you know what I'm saying? Put it on the back right there. While I rotate it, rotate that joint. So when you're rotating it, it's just pushing the right analog stick, right and left, right and left. That's how you rotate it. And how you make it bigger, just take the right analog stick right there, go down. That's how you make it small. But we want to, you know what I'm saying, we want to make it bigger. So again, we go press it up, the right analog stick up, rotate it right there from the side, so it'll be right there, bow out. You got that mug looking good right there. Right there, there you go. For the tattoos, you know what I'm saying, a little something, nothing major. Not major, little something, back into it. Yeah, so there you have it with the tattoos. That's right. Y'all do it whatever you want. You can pick a tattoo, whatever. You get good like this, just pick whatever tattoo you want. Well, Dame Lillard. That's how. If I'm making Dame Lillard, I'm gonna go with this one with the Bible scripture on there, because you got that Bible scripture thing right there. You got some kind of scripture on there. So right there, you know what I'm saying, I'll make it up to the shoulder, bow down, boom. Just push the right in there. So you don't even really gotta do much. Just push that right inline stick up a little bit. Bam. Got the words right here, bada. Got the stars on there, looking good right there. Nice tattoo, you know what I'm saying? There you have it right there. For the T-Mac little tattoo thing I did. Something like this. Power. Click it right here on the arm. Right there. Just make it bigger. That's the little T-Mac tattoo he be having. You know what I'm saying? Because all you do is click the tattoo, put it up there, push the right stick and push it up. And where you want it is where you want to locate it. So the L is where you want to locate it. Push up, you can put it higher up the arm, the upper arm, lower arm, mid arm. Right there, like something like T-Mac will have, like rotate the player, see how it look. That's what I did on my T-Mac tattoo. I did right there, bow down. Same thing on the Allen Iverson, got that spider web on his tattoo. So go right here. You see a little spider web thing right there. I did for my AI. We're going to place the tattoo. You know what I'm saying? We're going to click it. We're going to go to the neck. Put it right there. Rotate it. So you're moving around with the L trigger. Moving around. But it's too big right now. So we're going to lower the R trigger. Make it right there, that little R inline stick right there, just lower it down so you can fit on the neck a little bit. So we're gonna make it right here, so I got a tattoo on the neck. And so, you know what I'm saying, a little something like this. Now I'm saying for the neck tattoo, I can do it like that. For Russell Westbrook, you know what I'm saying, just, you know what I'm saying, just a little something for the tattoo tutorial, you know what I'm saying. So basically, you get a tattoo wherever you want it, place it. You want this, so you got right here. It's for the separate tattoos, you know what I'm saying. Put it on the arm, right here, about out. See, it's on his forearm, so we are located right there on his arm, right there, by moving the left trigger up. So we can put it right there, about out. Look, simple. It's a tattoo right there. Now he has. It's like the old school basketball players. That's how you used to have separate tattoos. Right there, one right there on the bicep. You know what I'm saying? Right there on the arm. About out. All we did was grab the tattoo and rotate it up. We moved it up with the left inline stick right there, and we ain't gonna rotate it. We're gonna keep it like that. About out. If you want to higher up, just push the inline stick a bit more. Just like for the old school players, got the separate tattoos right there. So you do the sleeves and the separate tattoos where you want them. So that's wherever you want to locate the tattoos, right there, about out, to the whole arm, on the hands. So you got tattoos on his hands, forearm. So these separate tattoos. This is where you want the separate tattoos. Easy, you know what I'm saying? Keep it simple for you guys. You know what I'm saying? Nothing major. So any tattoo that you want, all that. So you don't have to do too much. Yeah, got the animals, whatever you want. The animals, whatever you want. You got the sleeves, you know what I'm saying? That's what I usually do. I usually do this tattoo on most of my, you gonna see this, most of my guys look exactly like this. Get this tattoo, because it got everything. You got words, stars, designs, wings, got all kind of stuff. It's dope. That's how I usually use this one right here. Put on the arm, see it's already like that. So most of my players have this tattoo, if I'm doing a tattoo. Now all I do is pretty much make it bigger, like push the R trigger, right analog stick, push it up. That's mainly what I do. And you just rotate it a little bit more, rotate it up, but using the left inline stick, rotate it up, there you go, down, sleeves, perfect. There's nothing else to it, literally, nothing else to it. So there you have it for my tattoo tutorial. If you have any questions and tell me what can I do better, just let me know in the comments, man. So again, this is a tattoo where you want to go to. This is a tattoo shop that you want to go to. It's paint tattoos. The other ones that's only sleeves. This right here got better. It's got the separate tattoos and the sleeve tattoos. Alright, like I said, yeah. If I miss anything, if you want to know more, just hit me up in the comment section. Just make some comments and tell me what you like and what you dislike and what I need to add to the tattoo tutorial to improve it. If more, just let me know. I got you. I told you I'll do it. Let's get these players tatted. What did you want to do? Have some fun. We out here. It's your boy Chef. Tattoo tutorial, man. I got y'all. Say less. We out here. Anything else, man? Any questions? Just hit me in the comments. I got y'all. Much love. Happy gaming. Get out there and hoop, man. Let's go. Oh yeah, check out my face creations. I'll holla at y'all. Appreciate y'all. Deuces. Oh yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe too. You gotta get subscribed. Yeah. Peace.